Welcome to Tire Tattoo. It is car door edge guard and it's designed to protect car door edges. Kit includes to front door guard with logo and to plain rear door guard. Thickness of door guard is 5 mm and its unique design includes extra rubber protection lip which projects outside door edge and so ensures 100% protection. It comes with 3M tape considering best adhesive strength. In this view, extra protection lip can be clearly seen and differentiated. It doesn't have tape. Door guard design is flexible enough to accommodate door curves. Many times during car door opening, car door may hit another car or some near wall and same causes car door edge to damage. To install door guard, remove release paper. First, align door guard from top side in a way that protection lip projects outside door edge and similarly bottom side. Once aligned, press firmly. It's done. Thank you.